乡亲啊，继续来看日前确诊患着新冠病毒的美国的总统川普，已经出院回到白宫。川普阁特别拍影片，强调家己的状况真好。也毋过，哪会遮尔紧呢？短短3-4天就会当来出院，敢真正无问题咧？白宫的医师讲，川普的健康状况是会当出院的，但是嘛强调讲，川普也未完全脱离险境。这个川普出院的消息，嘛来带动着美国的股市道琼工业指数大起超过400点。也毋过，同这个时间，白宫的幕僚为着新冠病毒的人数一直在增加。即摆就参白宫的发言人嘛确定为着新冠病毒。
美国总统川普出院啊，坐直升机转到白宫了后，行去阳台，赶紧就将喙按绑落来，互念阿叔翕相，并且录影片，强调讲伊本身无代志。
And I learned so much about coronavirus. And one thing that's for certain, don't let it dominate you. Don't be afraid of it. And now I'm better, and maybe I'm immune. I don't know.
川普讲甲真有自信，不过白宫医生康利透露一寡玄机。
Though he may not entirely be out of the woods yet, the team and I agree that all our evaluations, and most importantly, his clinical status, support the president's safe return home.
川普人伫病院时嘛真无用，1点钟内连发18条的推特替家己吹票。白宫纪念品店嘛宣布讲会推出川普打败病毒纪念币，也不过全力塑造川普强人形象的同时，真侪白宫幕僚为着病毒嘛是死心。川普多出院时，记者嘛一直甲问
：Mr. President, how many staff are sick? How many of your staff are sick?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Do you think you might be a super spreader, Mr. President?
面对记者一直问，川普敢若讲多谢比一个赞，就坐专车准备要登去白宫。就算人已经出院啊，川普未来这几天的健康状况，恐惊依然是全世界的焦点。